What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of posting more than 10 pictures on Instagram, allowing you to share up to 20 photos or videos in a single post. This feature, known as a carousel post, enables you to showcase a more comprehensive view of your experiences, tell richer stories, and engage your audience effectively. Locate the Instagram app on your mobile device and tap to open it. Ensure you are logged into your account. Tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right of the screen to access your profile. And the top right corner of your profile, tap the plus sign icon to create a new post. A pop-up menu will appear. Select Posts, and from your device's gallery, choose the photos or videos you want to upload. You can select multiple items one by one, up to a maximum of 20. Once you have selected your media, tap Next in the top right corner. Here, you can edit or crop your pictures and apply filters as desired. Tap the Next button to move to the final stage of posting. Add a caption to your post, tag people, and include a location if necessary. Finally, tap the Share button to publish your carousel post with up to 20 pictures or videos. By following the steps, you can effectively share up to 20 pictures on Instagram, enhancing your storytelling and engagement with followers. Experiment with different images and captions to see what resonates best with your audience. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.